want to show you my Mark 17 World War II sea mine. There's absolutely nothing in it. It's a hollow shell, so it might look a bit serious, but it's not. This is the charge that goes inside it. These are normally missing. This one's a drill one. It was weighted with sand. It's now completely empty, as you can see. Nothing in it. No detonator. It's all gone. Just cleaning it up. It's a Mark 17, standard World War II. Everything is complete in it. Everything's totally complete. There's nothing missing. Even down to the release mechanism that says sand filled on there. Even down to the release mechanism. I can do a later video if anyone's interested. In fact, there's the lid there, look, that goes on top, bolts on top of here. If anyone's interested, I will do a video on how it works, on exactly how this works. It's got its original soluble plugs fitted, and I've got the caps for the charge, all three caps, 1, 2, there's another one down there. Just going to put the charge barrel back inside it and bolt the top on. I'll do another little video when it's done.